Hello, my name is Fred Anaafi. Stay safe, learn Excel under 2 minutes. Today we want to look at how to retrieve date. Where we have date, we want to retrieve the year, the month, and the day from the date in separate columns. To do that, we will use the year function. So we start with an equal sign, the year. We open our parentheses, we select the column where we have the date, we close our parentheses, then we enter. Since it's serial, to give us the year, which is 2020. For the month, we use the month function. We start with an equal sign, month. We open our parentheses, we select the source of the data. We close our parentheses, we enter. That gives us the month. So that's the 6th month, June. And the day. So the date, we use the day function, equal sign day. Open our parentheses, select the date, close our parentheses. There we have the year, the month, and the day. So quickly you can just select and just drag it down, and that will automatically give us the year and the month for the various dates choosing on our left. Thank you very much for following us on this channel, FredExcel. Continue to follow us and learn Excel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.